Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and for this video, let's draw the creepy Slenderman. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Slenderman here, and to begin we're going to draw his head, and it's going to be tilted, so we're just going to try to draw almost like an almond shape. It's not going to be much of a detail here, so it's going to be like an egg shape, but just off to the side a little bit. Okay, so it's tilted this way. And then for his eyes, we're not going to see much, right? So we're just going to add a little bit of a crease here. It looks like it's just on the cloth. And then from there, we're going to draw, let's see, his neck, just a little bit on the back here. And now we can draw his coat or his suit. So we're going to come down from there. And then from here, just make a little triangle first. Okay, so a very sharp corner. So that's gonna be the opening of his coat. So then from here, we're gonna draw one line out, just come straight down. And then we're gonna come out. So these are gonna be his collars. Okay, then we're gonna connect that. And then on the other side, we're gonna draw another line. And then this one, we're gonna just kind of come right past it. Just extend it down a little bit more. And then on the other side, just draw a little bit of line here just to connect that. All right, so now that we got his collar, we can finish up his suit. So we're gonna, from here, just go straight out. And then on this side, we're gonna come straight out. So these are gonna be his shoulders. Okay. And then once we have that, we can draw, let's see, let's go down. So now we're gonna draw his arm. So we're gonna come down. And then now for the inside. Okay, so from there, let's draw the other side now. So we're gonna go on the other side of the arm. And now we're gonna draw chest area of his coat. I know this might be a little bit tricky because it's got a lot of little folds going on, right? So from the middle, we can come down. Just kind of give it a little bit of wavy line. So we're gonna draw his coat. And it's all kind of wrinkled up, so from here, I'm gonna draw a couple of lines here, just kind of wavy lines. I keep going. Okay, and then once we hit the bottom here, we're gonna draw a little bit of a triangle here because the coat's gonna split up. So now we're gonna come down, and we're just gonna connect this. I don't know if you guys can hear this on the microphone, but it's raining pretty hard outside. So it might be a little bit noisy. Okay, so, all right, so now we close off his coat. So now I can draw his arm. So let's go ahead and draw this one first. So from here, just kind of draw like a little bit of a wavy line. It's gonna come down right about where the coat ends. And then these are gonna be his cuff. So we're gonna come across. And then from here, we're gonna draw the other side is coat. And then now we got to let's go on the other side. So we'll come down here. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Let's give it a little bit of fold here just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then again, we're gonna close it off. Okay, now we can draw his hands. So his hand, let's draw it this way. So one straight line, this is gonna be his thumb. Okay, and then this is gonna be his palm right there. And then from there, we're gonna draw his fingers. So we're gonna go 1. Okay, and then we're gonna go 2. And then 2 more, 1. Just kind of curve it in a little bit, and 2. This one's gonna be barely visible on the back. Finish off the palm. Kind of a creepy hand, right? And then on the other hand, so we're gonna come down. This is gonna be his thumb. And here, 1 finger. Then 2 finger. And then probably just a little bit so we can see the other one, and that's it. And then for his coat, let's finish off the coat before we move down to his legs. Let's give a couple buttons right here, a few buttons. And then we're gonna draw in just a little bit of line here, right? Just to show that there's kind of folds going on. And then for his pocket, so we just draw one line and then just kind of close it off with that. And then on this side as well, one line, just close it off. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. It's pretty long, so I'm going to move the paper up, and it's got really long legs too, so it's gonna go off the paper. All right, so for his legs, on the side of his coat, we're just gonna kind of come straight down. It's gonna be his knee, and just kind of give it a little bit of waviness, just like before. And then now we're gonna draw the other side. So just give it some kind of waviness to it. There's not a lot of detail here, so close it off. And then his shoes, not much detail there as well. Okay, so now for the other side, we're gonna start here on the side. We're gonna come down again, just a little bit of waviness, and then we're gonna come back up here. I'll draw the other side. It's kind of really creepy long legs. And we're gonna close it off. And then for his shoes, very simple. Kind of pointing inwards a little bit. And that's it for this creepy Slenderman, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.